Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding. Do this now. First, name the feeling out loud. Once labeled, the brain shifts from reactivity to observation. Next, use the 4-4-8 breath pattern to lower arousal. Make sure to breathe into your diaphragm and count. Then anchor through sensation. Press your feet to the floor and catalog 5 visible details. These steps reduce physiological intensity in minutes, so you can proceed with clarity and choose a deliberate next action instead of reacting automatically. Once grounded, assess what's happening. You map triggers quickly, write 3 causes to externalize the pattern. Then rate intensity from 0 to 10 to decide whether to act now or wait. Make sure to note how long the feeling typically lasts. Next, reframe by asking whether your thought is a fact, a feeling, or a story you tell yourself. This separates meaning from sensation. Use small mental experiments. Test one alternative interpretation to see if your emotional charge reduces before choosing a response. Now move into action and consolidation. You pick one concrete behavior you can do within 10 minutes, speak, step away, or set a boundary and execute it. Afterward, consolidate by journaling 3 lessons and scheduling a weekly check-in to track progress. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Reduce sensory input, return to breathing, and delay decisions until intensity falls. If stuck repeatedly, make sure to seek one-to-one support from a trusted person or professional. These final steps turn insight into durable change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.